Are hearing aids right for you? Well, in this video, I'm talking about the top 10 reasons to try hearing devices. Coming up! Hi, I'm Dr. Derek, audiologist with ProFitHearing.com, bringing you the best insight in today's latest hearing aids and audio technology to improve your life. If you have concerns about your hearing, always consult with your local physician or audiologist. Today, I'm talking about hearing aids and the top 10 reasons why you should try them for yourself. Hearing aids change lives every day by allowing hearing impaired people to hear again and connect with their family and friends. Especially with all the advances in hearing technology today, there's never been a better time to try hearing aids. Number 1, not your grandfather's hearing aids. Hearing aids today are small, compact, and very high tech. They're digital hearing aids today. A miniature computer within the hearing aid makes almost instantaneous calculations to fine-tune sound for your ears so that you can hear your best. They automatically adjust all the sounds around you so that you can hear more clearly and comfortably. Hearing aids also connect to smartphones, tablets, laptops, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices. With Bluetooth hearing aids, Bluetooth hearing aid audio streamers, and even smart hearing aids, you can now be more connected than ever before and hear better than you have in years. Number 2, people stop mumbling. Patients often report that they feel they can hear just fine, but other people mumble or don't enunciate their words clearly enough. An example is, "Well, I hear that people are speaking to me, but I don't understand what they're saying. It's like their words seem to run together." This is one of the most common complaints heard in the clinic. This type of hearing difficulty is usually the result of hearing loss in the high pitches or high frequencies. This type of hearing loss develops gradually as we age and can also be the result of noise exposure from loud noise work environments, hobbies, or even loud music. You'll experience improved clarity and speech understanding with a hearing aid that is fine-tuned to your hearing loss. Number 3, understand speech better in noisy places. Hearing aids today have directional microphones that help lower background noise so that you can better understand the person sitting in front of you. This noise reduction is automatic, but it also can be activated with the push of a button on the hearing aid, with a hearing aid remote, or with a smartphone app. Hearing aids can help cut out all the distracting noise and bring out the sharp detail of speech in noisy places. Remember that understanding speech in noisy places is one of the most challenging listening situations for everybody, even if you wear hearing aids, so it's important to establish good eye contact with the speaker so that you can maximize your ability to communicate. Number 4, enjoy TV and music again. Hearing aids are customized for your hearing loss so that you'll be able to hear the TV at a level that's comfortable for you and for those around you. The clarity of words will improve with hearing aid use, so you should not have to strain to understand the TV. For even better sound quality, you can try TV hearing devices that connect your hearing aids directly to the TV. A hearing aid to TV connection allows you to get up, walk over to the kitchen, or even to the next room while still hearing the TV directly in your hearing aids. Other TV hearing devices include wireless headphones that you can wear with or without hearing aids on. These can be an excellent solution if you don't have hearing aids. However, a direct TV connection with hearing aids will provide a superior sound quality that is custom tuned to your hearing loss. Number 5, hear and understand women and children better. Hearing loss usually first occurs in the high-pitched sound range. These sounds give words their fine detail and clarity. Loss of hearing in this range can make women and children difficult to hear and understand. Many men have told me that they came in for a hearing test just because their wife asked them to. They may say, "Well, I hear her, but I don't understand. And she says I don't listen, but I just really don't understand what she's saying or what the grandkids are saying." A spouse is correct to be concerned and often notices their loved one's communication difficulties more than the patient does. Number 6, prevent cognitive decline. Untreated hearing loss may be linked to decline of cognitive function. Hearing loss leads to a decreased auditory stimulation in the brain. For more information on this subject, check out the links in the description below for research studies at johnhopkinsmedicine.org. Many patients with significant hearing loss try hearing aids, and their families report that they become different people. They now participate and engage socially. They hear and respond when spoken to. And their lives change in immeasurable ways, impacting not only themselves, but also all those around them. Number 7, avoid social isolation. Some hearing loss is severe enough that the person cannot hear conversational speech and may not be aware they're being spoken to until you get their attention. Hearing loss can cause withdrawal from conversation in group situations. Hearing loss can make social situations exhausting and embarrassing. Often people with hearing loss may ask you to repeat what you said, but still don't understand. Rather than ask you to repeat yourself again, the person may act like they understood anyway and nod or give a vague answer just to avoid embarrassment. If they're having that much difficulty understanding, it's easier to withdraw from social interactions or to avoid them altogether. Obviously, this is a horrible solution to a treatable problem. Hearing aids can change your life, so why not use all the technology available today to finally hear what you're missing? Number 8, monitor the volume of your own voice. Many people with hearing loss cannot tell how loud they're speaking, so they may unknowingly talk at a louder volume than everyone else just because it seems normal to them. These patients may admit that they've been called a loud talker. Hearing aids will help you hear your voice so that you can better regulate your speaking volume while also hearing all the sounds around you much easier than before. Number 9, find tinnitus relief. Do you have ringing in the ears? It's called tinnitus and it often accompanies hearing loss. Using a hearing aid can make your tinnitus less noticeable. Hearing aid users report varying degrees of tinnitus reduction. If you use hearing aids but still have bothersome tinnitus, ask your provider about adding a tinnitus masking sound for tinnitus relief. These sounds are often built into hearing aids and can easily be activated by your provider. Today's hearing aids can also use Bluetooth technology to stream therapeutic sounds for tinnitus directly from apps on your smartphone. Number 10, enjoy phone conversations again. Talking on the phone is something you may want to avoid if you have hearing loss. Maybe it's just too difficult to understand what the people are saying, and you don't want to ask them to keep repeating themselves. Hearing aids today have optimized phone settings that turn on when you hold the phone up to your ear. Some hearing aids will wirelessly send the phone sound to both ears, which greatly improves speech understanding. This allows you to answer your cell phone, lay it down, and have a phone conversation with just your hearing aids on. As you can see, there's many great reasons to try hearing aids. Your local clinic should provide a trial period and may even have some behind-the-ear style hearing aids in stock for demonstration. After receiving a hearing evaluation, a hearing aid can be programmed to your results and be ready to listen to within just a few minutes. Ask your audiologist or hearing aid dispenser today about what hearing aid options are available and start hearing all that you've been missing. So for today's question, do any of these reasons to try hearing aids motivate you to take action? Also, what other hearing aid related videos do you want to see? Let's connect in the comments. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you receive value from this video, please like it, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to be notified whenever a new video is posted. Remember to check out the notes in the description below for more information and to connect with ProFit Hearing on social media. Be a part of the ProFit Hearing community. Remember, ProFit Hearing brings you the best insight in today's latest hearing aids and audio technology to improve your life. If you have concerns about your hearing, always consult with your local physician or audiologist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.